Okay, area of circles has only one formula. So area of a circle would be the inside of the circle. The formula is pi r squared. So that means regardless of what we're given in the question, we always have to solve for r, make sure we have r before we plug in our values. So we'll look at two examples. If we're given, well, let's phrase it this way. Find the area of a circle with radius of, and we'll say 8 miles. So one formula, the formula was a equals pi r squared. We'll approximate to 3.14 for pi. So a equals 3.14 times the radius squared. According to PEMDAS, we need to do exponents first. So I'll approximate this to 3.14 times 64 and then multiply that out. So I like to put the longer number on top, not necessarily the larger, the longer, and multiply that. So 4 times 4 is 16, 5, 12, placeholder 24, 8, 18. Add those and 2 decimal places, so the area is approximately 200.96. And we said these were miles. Remember, miles is, or area is always squared regardless of the shape. So we'll say miles squared. Let's look at a second example. We'll say find the area of a circle with diameter of 14 inches. So that's the whole way across. Now, our formula calls for radius, pi r squared. So to find the radius given the diameter, we have to cut the 14 in half, so r is going to be 7 inches. Now we can plug in 7. And let's go ahead and use the pi approximated to 22 over 7 for this one, because we have a value that's divisible by 7. So I plug in my values. Area is approximately 22 over 7 times 7 squared. Now it's tempting to cross out the 7's, but remember PEMDAS, exponents first. So 22 over 7 times 49. And now I check if I can cross anything out. So 7 can go to 49 7 times. I'm going to multiply 22 times 7, and I get 154. So my area is approximately 154 inches squared. You could also say square inches.